No, that's not a snake. It's a worm.
It is a giant snake.
No, it's a worm. Here,
No.
put it in your hand.
Should Grandma put it in her hand?
Hey! Hey!
Better put
Mommy,
something on
you
him.
want to put it in your hand?
Oops.
It's all right.
Sorry.
It's all right.
Hey!
Look, Grandma. There we go.
It is to Mommy.
Yeah, I see that. That's a night crawler. That's a big
Here.
worm.
Mom?
Stop!
Just a minute.
Put it.
No, Aubrey wants to see
No,
it.
no.
Yes.
I just want to do it. I want Mommy to hold it.
Look, I'll hold it.
Mommy, hold it.
I'll hold it. See?
Okay. He's dripping.
He's dripping.
No!
Here he
Don't
comes.
trip him.
I'm not. He's crawling off of my hand onto Grandma.
You gonna let him climb on your hand?
No.
How come? Aubrey, you want to?
Now you gotta learn how to put them on a hook so you catch fishies.
Excuse me.
Video, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice word. That's a familiar.
Worm.
Mommy, I'm gonna watch the Eggo.
No, we're getting ready for school. We're not going to watch anything.
Oh, I don't.
Oh, don't make him if you don't want to.
See? Oh, he's okay.
He's okay. It's a worm. Can you say worm? Worm?
See? No.
Worm.
Yeah, a worm.
Right. Firm, she calls it.
Nightcrawler.
Worm.
Do you want to hold it? Do you want to hold it? Okay, here. Should I take it outside? Okay. Or do you want to hold it?
Who says that, Aubrey? Does a lion say that? Who says that? Rah. Ha ha.
He's okay. Yeah, he's a worm. Can you hold him? No, okay.
Yeah.